Hey traders, in this video, I want to cover Nikola Motors. It is the center of controversy right now. They just struck a deal with GM and the stock was trading around 35 bucks a share before the deal shot all the way up the next day to 52 plus dollars. And today it's trading right back down to $37 a share, basically filling the gap from the whole GM news. Now, here's what's concerning. Not only is the electric vehicle market, yes, it's exploding, but it's starting to have Bitcoin, altcoin, Ripple. Remember all those coins years ago that were popping up out of the blue and every company was changing its name to some kind of Bitcoin? It's starting to remind me of that. I'm starting to see more and more of these companies just pop up trying to basically get the stock up because they're saying they're electric vehicles. In reality, there's only a couple names that are solid, and they're still very controversial. If you look at Tesla, if you look at NIO, for example. So the CEO is now doing all these financial media rounds from literally every outlet that I've looked at when I turn on the TV or pull up Twitter feed, because there was a popular short seller, a research company, who came out with a 90-page report basically detailing negative notes on Nikola Motors. Now, let's be clear. They have 0 trucks produced, the Badger. They have 0 vehicles on the market. In fact, they made about $35,000 last quarter because the CEO installed solar panels. So the CEO basically was the full $35,000. The CEO, Trevor Milton, a lot of controversy. Many failed businesses, many of the staff, questionable hires, and he's been very public saying he won't sell any stock. Now, a CEO that is going out trying to defend its share price against short sellers, that's not a good look, to be clear. It's like he's basically trying to fight for the stock to go higher and calling out the shorts instead of getting to work with the company, trying to better the company. He said he spent, I think it was 8 or 9 hours last night detailing the short report and trying to come up with answers for each detail that was a negative note. That's insane. Like, why isn't he working? Why isn't he trying to actually produce a vehicle out there, right? Instead of spending literally the past 2 days doing media rounds and addressing the share price of the stock. So this is a huge question mark for me. You would never see Jeff Bezos, the CEO of Amazon, go out and talk about the share price against short sellers and go on, every financial report, media outlet out there. This company, again, I'm a huge fan of the electric vehicle market. I'm a truck guy. I love trucks. I wish my Ford F-150 was full electric and got 500 miles of charge, for sure. But man, this Nikola Motors, if it's not red flag after red flag after red flag, I don't know what is. So just be careful if you're in the name. It does have a high short interest. Like we said, it went from 35 to 50, but now it's right back down to 37. I think it's a stock you could trade. Options are very expensive, high implied volatility, so be clear on that. But as an investment point of view, red flags. All right, everyone, have a great rest of the trading day.